Dancing turkey. Materials required: construction paper, glue, pencil. Fold brown paper once and trace the shape of your foot on it. Cut it along the tracing to get two pieces and glue them together from the edges. This will be the turkey's body. Cut out a yellow beak and glue it on the face. Then glue eyes on it. Fold yellow paper once and trace your palm on it. Cut it along the tracing to get two pieces. Repeat with the other colors. Glue the handprint feathers to the back of the turkey. Make two legs from black paper and glue them to the back of the body. You can now decorate your cute turkey with paint, glitters, sequins, etc.